Hey there, this is Jim Cohen, the instructor for the class, and I'm going to give a short orientation on how the class works. What I'm displaying here is our Canvas homepage. Canvas is our learning management system where we are going to be having all the information that we need to know about the class. That includes all the links on the left and all the links right here. I highly recommend you read the class syllabus so you understand how you're scored and all the things that you'll need to do to learn and do well in the class. There's a link here for formula sheets. If I follow the link for formula sheets and other handouts, there's things that might be handy, especially if you're reviewing some math. For example, I have a bunch of different reference sheets here. The trig formula reference sheet, for example, looks like this, where if you don't quite remember all the trig formulas, I have them here handy for you to use. So anyway, you might want to check out some of those resources that I made available. Return to the home page. I'm not going to go through all the different links for you, but Jim's class videos, that is where I house the videos such as this one on the orientation and on the different sections of the book. So you'll need to follow Jim's class videos if you want to watch my videos. The instructional videos are also available through the textbook, which is the WebAssign that you need to purchase for the class. So the instructional videos will take you straight to WebAssign, and then you can find the instructional videos there. Speaking of WebAssign, that's where most of the textbook homework is going to be done on WebAssign. So WebAssign looks like this thing right here. I can't really show you the current assignments because they don't actually activate until this coming Saturday, but there'll be all the activities and assignments right here in this placeholder. And if you, there's also a grade link if you want. But if you go down to where it says resources, it's an unfortunate characteristic of WebAssign. You'll have to open up this little tab right here. This is the book we're using, the Stewart book. And these are the different chapters. So for example, for chapter 1, which is a review of precalculus, it'll list all kinds of PowerPoint slides, PowerPoint lectures, and then right after that are all the videos. So these are all the instructional videos for all the different sections. So you'll have WebAssign videos that are created by the author of your textbook, as well as videos created by me, Jim's class videos right here. So there's nothing going to be here right yet. We do have an orientation video that I'm doing, and then I do post my lecture notes, and under here will be a bunch of videos for those lecture notes. So again, by the sections that you're learning. Okay, so returning back home. The way I've organized the Canvas homepage here is that everything you need to do is listed right here on the homepage. You don't have to search for modules or where you're currently working on. It says right here the first week, which starts on Monday the 22nd. These are the things you need to do. It's basically an orientation to the class. You have to learn how to do the assignments. You'll do one short assignment during that week. There's not a lot of math to do in week 1 because I'm just trying to make sure everyone feels comfortable in the class. And I want to give everyone an opportunity to work ahead. I'm really hoping that people will work on the next week's material. So in week 1, there's really not a lot to do here. So finish this if you possibly can early, and then start working on week 2 material, which is right here. And then week 2, hopefully you'll finish this early, and you can start working on week 3 material. Remember, all the videos are going to be available the week before, so there's no reason you need to wait to get to week 3 to start on your work for week 3. And this goes all throughout the semester. It includes where the midterms are and all the way to the final exam. So I tried to make the Canvas homepage sort of right there, front and center, everything you want to do. If you know today's date, whatever it is, suppose it's February 19th, you can go to this, which is week 5. You do these links, and you're done with that week's homework. So it's right there for you to do. Besides the WebAssign homework, there are these things called lab assignments. Lab assignments are a little bit more challenging. They force you to think a little bit more deeply about how to solve problems and why we're using particular formulas. Because they're more challenging, we highly recommend that you do them with assistance, either with a colleague of yours, another student, or with me or a tutor in the math lab. The LMC Math Lab is open a ton of hours every day. I have a lot of availability during the week to help people with whatever they're working on, including those lab assignments. So between the WebAssign homework and the lab assignments, that comprises most of the work you'll be doing in the class, except for the tests and things like that that come with any kind of math class. Okay, so I am available Monday through Wednesday, or Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday at these hours, so that people can drop by and I can give you more personal attention and try to answer your questions about how the class works. I also do have a welcome email, which gives you a lot of links on how to get started. You can also email me anytime you like. I will try to reply to emails within a day. So there's a short delay, but I'll try to get to them so that you can keep moving forward with your journey through this calculus class. So please let me know if you have any questions or need any help. Hopefully this orientation was helpful, and you'll let me know if I left out something that you'll need to know. And good luck this semester, and hopefully I'll see you sometime soon in my drop-in tutoring and lab hours. All right. Have a good day.